All right, so in the previous section, we tried to find the students with a name Jason using the find function inside our collection. A couple of things happen, but before we continue to the find one query, I want to mention another thing about automating testing. And we can use NodeMon for that. Now, I know I already mentioned it, but every time that we want to run our test, we type npm run test. So we want to find a way to make it run automatically. All right. So for this, we'll just go back to the package.json file. I'm sure you remember we wrote here inside the script section the test command, and it helps us every time that we run the npm run test. It executes the mocha command, and it runs all the tests we have. So we're going to use the tool NodeMon to rerun our projects automatically whenever we make a change inside it. Now, just a quick tip here, and people with any kind of a Mocha background probably know this as well, but if you type --watch, well, it's going to watch our test directory and see if there's any change at all and rerun the test if there is. Pretty cool, huh? But instead of this, we are going to use NodeMon by taking out Mocha and putting NodeMon here. All right, so you see where we're going, right? So we want to rerun our project once there's a change. So we write --exec and mocha-R min. Now, if you're using a Mac, you've got to write this statement within a single quote, but I don't need this. NodeMon will run this mocha-R min command if there is a change. And the two options, -r and min, they're about the formatting of the test output, and it clears the outputs remaining from any of the previous runs. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. Again, we type npm run test in our terminal, and we'll see the impact of -r and min. All existing output of the previous runs are gone, and min condenses down all the test language. So we only see 2 tests passing rather than the whole description of every other test. So now if we go back to our reading test, we'll make a small change like putting a not, for example, here. So now let's look at the terminal. And we can save the file. And as you can see, NodeMon has already begun to run my test again. So what you're seeing here is that we've got an error message, and that expresses that we failed. Well, before you take it personally, let's delete the not and see that it's fine again. All right? Cool. So we'll continue to talk about the user.findOne function in the next session.